I am a fan of Golden Hoops.
To the front court. And Zion takes it away. Throws it down. Vicious slam.
6'9", 237, but he has a 7'6" wingspan. Oh! That's a man's jam!
Alumni night. We talked to Van before the
Yes! Oh! Look at that! Slam Whitmore! I mean,
You enjoy play-by-play. You got the point guard John Trouty alongside.
And the slam dunk by Jackson Hayes. The Pelicans bench gets routed.
on the quarter. Bounce into the corner. They just switch it. Oh! Behind the head reverse slam by Johnson.
Oh, Johnson is showing up.
Off the screen. Feeds it back to Collins. John, the lay it opens up, and he just baptized.
An emphatic slam.
Into the lane. To the rim! And he just punched it in tennis.
The rebound quickly up the pick.
Points off turnovers, they've won that. Oh, Jackson, hey, look out! A good call by Carlane to begin with, and then Bridges punctuates it with that.
Long got his own. Driving and throwing it down. Big fella.
Took his lunch money. Malik!
Nets turn it over. Levert ahead. Mitchell. Oh, look out! A poster.
Not happy with the rest of the way the Celtics played. Don't back
Calvin Johnson. My goodness.
Rebound Wagner. Way ahead to Banchero. Banchero way up and throws it down.
Maybe slight of frame, but he is long.
Melton has a straight line drive, and he backs it down. Oh, Melton finding the seam.
Oh, Vassell just missed the steal. McDaniels can't make you pay, but Edwards follows up.
goodness.
He said over the last two games, Flynn with the steal.
Great job.
Malachi to...
Differences of drop coverage, especially when you have. Oh my goodness, Anthony Edwards just hopped up.
Is that correct?
Yeah, he and he's been fantastic.
All the way, see man and ball. Push ahead, Kuminga. The human helicopter. Stop.
Just it all the way.
Fade ahead to Asar Thompson down the lane, throws it down.
For a long time. Hit the mark, and John Collins.
Really good find.
Jackson with the rebound.
Don't get him.
2-on-1 on the break. Isaiah Jones sides it up. Green throws it down.
Shot clock is off. Wembanyama goes right by Durant. With the left hand. Oh, look at.
And Jalen says, okay, you take away my time. I'll just...
Another good defensive sequence didn't give him anything.
There you go, Jalen. That'll wake him up.
Batazi. Like
Fellow the screen to the cutting. Collins with a one-hand jam.
He's looking at Pat Frayer, did not come. Now, Grayson Allen dunks it and a foul.
He dunked it on Laura. Like what happened here is the reason he's able.
George. Oh, John Collins and a foul on Biombo. That was spectacular. Deontay George, I wasn't sure that was this year. They peeled him clean. Monk. Showtime! Malik with an edge.
7 to shoot for the Clippers. Drives in on Bullock. He goes to the house.
Oh my!
I think you love this move. I think you like the end of it.
Point lead. Ivy knocked down. Tobias Ramsey jams on the other end. Hayden Ivy shaken up.
I got choked up for Trey. Off the backboard. Nice pass by G. Trey on the finish. G. Trey on the finish.
Tell you what, he turned the hands of time back. Davis elevating and detonating.
Win or lose.
Jackson Davis. Oh, over Victor Wembanyama.
Trey after it. He looks hard to the hole. Hammers it. Didn't get it off in time.
Patient from Saban. Find the cutting.
Darius Baisley. Oh, with a soul-stealing jam on the big man. And let me tell you something. Doc
Lead down the 10. Jalen Brown shoves one through on Bamba.
Hartenstein got the ball. Easy back cut.
Turner goes in and dunks it over Hartenstein. Turner with 18 big points for the Pacers.
Not getting overconfident, not getting complacent. It's David Duke! Not getting overconfident, not getting complacent. It's David Duke!
12 for Middleton. Wembanyama. Oh, goes down! And puts it down! Are you kidding me? Come on. 20 years ago, I was not in a dorm. Thank you.
Oh, goodness!
Jalen Green!
Beal knocked away. Top it.
Just don't play the heck of it. Play the heck of a head.
I mean, that's Achua driving and slamming. My goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Jamal Murray looking for his first points. Gets past James and throws it down.
I see a lot of this guy last year, but most of it was jump shots. He can still hammer when he needs to.